In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify the still image duration in Davinci Resolve using 3 different methods. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, tweaking the duration of still images can make a big difference in your project. So let's dive right into it. First, open up Davinci Resolve on your computer. Once it's up and running, you'll need to click on the project in which you want to adjust the still image duration. Navigate to the edit page, which is where all the action happens when it comes to making changes to your media files. This is your primary workspace where you can arrange, trim and modify clips. Now look towards the top menu and select Davinci Resolve. Doing this will lead you to a drop down menu. From this list, click on Preferences. The Preferences pane is an important area where you can customize your settings to fit your personal working style. In Preferences, find and select the User tab. This section allows you to adjust user specific settings, enabling you to tailor your editing experience. Once in the User tab, look for the editing option. Clicking on this will let you access several editing settings. Among these settings, you'll find the standard still duration option. This option directly impacts how long your still images will appear on the timeline by default. By clicking on it, you'll see a field where you can input your preferred duration. Deciding on the right duration can vary depending on the project. Are you creating a slideshow? Or maybe you're integrating stills into a video sequence? Typically, a duration of around 5 seconds is a good starting point, but feel free to adjust this time to better suit your specific needs or aesthetic goals. Once you set your desired time, make sure to apply the changes. This ensures all future imported stills default to the new duration unless manually changed, and there you have it. You've successfully customized the default still image duration in Davinci Resolve. This simple adjustment can enhance the flow and pacing of your projects, helping to maintain viewer interest and engagement. Remember, tweaking these settings is all about achieving the perfect storytelling rhythm for your audience, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial or want to learn more tips and tricks in Davinci Resolve, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy editing.